Hi guys, my name's Nicole. Today I am going to show you how to purchase and download files off of Etsy and get them into Silhouette Studio and print them onto your sublimation printer. I will hop onto the laptop and start screen recording to show you how to do it. Okay, so here we are on Etsy, which is where I buy a lot of my files. So I'm just going to show you how to search for stuff and how to download. So when I am searching for something, typically I will put whatever I'm searching for and then PNG. Say I'm looking for, let's say, I'm making a plant shirt. So we're going to put plant shirt PNG. So now all these PNGs come up that you can go through. You can also put, change this and do sublimation design or download, and that'll give you the pretty much the same thing. PNG is just a little bit shorter, and most of the time PNG will be included in most all of the images that are for sale. So you go ahead and find the file you want and purchase it, and then it will appear in your purchases. Sometimes it takes a minute or two after you purchase it for the download files button to pop up. So if you don't see the download files, just wait a minute or two and then refresh, and then it'll pop up. Okay, so here is the image that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to go ahead and download the file and click download. Okay, so this is the transfer that came out of my printer. Turned out great. You can see that there's no lines, anything like that. Very high quality image. I will be putting this on a shirt, and so what I do with all of my images that I'm going to be putting on any kind of soft material, I tear the edges just because it makes it a softer edge so it doesn't leave a paper line. I'm not sure if you guys have pressed something onto a shirt, there'll be an outline of the paper. So I just go ahead and tear all my edges.
For 300 more craft tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks, everyone.
And I am going to get my heat press warmed up, and then I will put this on my shirt and show you guys the finished product. There it is. Okay, I will see you over at the heat press. So I have my heat press heated up to 385 for 60 seconds. My heat press runs a little bit hot. Typically you would press at 400, but it's always good to get a temperature gun just to check and see what your heat press is really running at, so you get the best results. Anyway, so I have my shirt down. Oh, I did want to let you know I always put a piece of blowout paper, butcher paper in my shirt here, just in case the ink goes through. This shirt I got from Heat Transfer Source. It's really soft. It's 100% polyester, but it feels more like cotton. Really love their shirts. So okay, so it looks about center to me. So I'm gonna get some heat tape, put that on there. I'm gonna grab another piece of butcher paper and put it over the top because we do not want the ink to transfer onto my press. And then I'm just gonna pull my bottom plate out just a little bit. Take my butcher paper off, and then carefully lift this up. There we go. It turned out great. Here are the lines. You can kind of see what I'm talking about. You can still see a little bit of the paper lines. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my lint roller, and that'll go away. But yeah, there's the shirt for you. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thanks.